Hi and welcome to Digital Electronics series. In the last video we have studied about AND gate. Today we will study about one more gate called OR gate. So let's begin. This is how we represent an OR gate. This is a symbol for an OR gate in digital electronics. It has two inputs and one output. Now let's go inside this symbol and see what this is actually made up of. If you go inside this OR gate, we'll see a two transistor connected parallelly, and to control wire of the transistor are the inputs, and we are taking an output from the rightmost electrode, and the leftmost electrode is connected to a power supply from where it drives the current. Now let's see the cases. We are seeing first case when input A and input B are off. It means we are not supplying any current to input A and input B. The current which is coming from the left electrode is blocked by both the transistors, and we won't see any current at the output. So we can conclude that if A is off and B is off, we won't see any current at the output. So output is also off. Now let's see the second case. In the second case, we are applying a current to a transistor A. That means we are turning it on the transistor A, but transistor B is still off. Now what will happen? The current from the left electrode is flow through the transistor A and to the output, because current has the path now. So in that case, when A is on and B is off, the output is on. And the similar case is also when A is off and B is on, still we see output is on. So we can say either any of the transistor is on, the output is in on state. So now what will happen when both the transistors are on? Similar, same case. When both the transistors are on, current from the left electrode will flow through both the transistor and will reach to the output. When both are on, the output is also an on state. So now let's conclude what we have observed with this circuit. What we see is when input is false, A is false, and input B is false, the output is false. When input is A is false and B is true, output is true. When input A is true, B is false, the output is true. When both are true, the output is true. Only case when both A and B transistor are off, then only we are seeing the output are false. In the rest all case, the output is true. If any of the input is true, the output is true. So this is how a OR gate behaves. Now let's write the equation for it. Okay. So output equal to A plus B. Okay. True we represent by 1 and false we represent by 0. If A is 1, output will be 1. If B is 1, still the output will be 1. If both are 1, then also the output is 1. If both A and B is 0, the 0 plus 0 is 0. So that's how we represent an OR gate. Thank you.